Hi guys, we are jumping back into our review this week of using latitude and longitude using latitude and longitude. We're just going to review. This is our first day of it. So remember our lines of latitude, think latitude, fatitude, they go across horizontally. They're going to run from east to west, right? But we're going to measure them in north. So if they're north and south. So if they're north of the equator, they'll be labeled north. If they're south of the equator, they will be labeled south. Longitude are going to run from that North Pole to the South Pole. And remember, anything that is east of the prime meridian is going to be labeled east. Anything that is west is going to be labeled west. Okay, so again, here's a better look at latitude. Think latitude, fatitude. Remember, anything south of the equator will be labeled south. Anything north will be labeled north. Here's a closer look at longitude. Anything east of the equator will be labeled, prime meridian will be labeled east. Anything west of the prime meridian will be labeled west. Our absolute location, remember, it gives us that point where the latitude and longitude lines cross. It tells us exactly where something is. So when we find those lines of latitude, okay, so right here, we are going to look for lines of latitude at Great Harbor. All right, so Great Harbor is right here. Okay, so this dot right here. First, we're going to find latitude, which are these lines. It's between 25 and 27. So we could say 26 degrees because we just want to give a rough estimate there. And since it is north of the equator, okay, and it doesn't say it here, but we're going to put that N there, okay? We know that it's north because as you go north, it's getting larger. And then our longitude, it's between, so this is 80, this is 81. Sorry, no, this is 80. Whoa, what am I thinking? 79, 78 right here. It's closest to that 78, okay, degrees. And then that's going to be west. I know that you don't know that, but I will tell you right now it is west, right? So notice how I just estimated. I gave a rough estimate there, okay? So again, it's going to be 26 degrees north and 78 degrees west. All right, let's find out which city is right here. 0 degrees. So 0 degrees won't have a direction because it is the equator. Okay, and 78 degrees west. So here it is. Okay, 0 degrees, and then we're looking for 78 degrees west. So I know that it's going to be somewhere in here between that 60 degrees. So I know that it's Kyoto. Okay. 51 degrees north, so let's find that first, okay? We can't really see those lines. Give me 1 second to fix that. All right, let's look back at that. Sorry about that. So we have 51 degrees north and then 0 degrees. So it's going to be right here on the prime meridian. We know that from that 0. Then we want to find 51 degrees. So it's going to be here. It's between 30 and 60. We know that 50 is closer to 60 though, so we know that it is London. All right, if you send me an email, let me know what city is at 38 degrees south and 145 degrees west or east. I would be thrilled. Zamila, I know that you're watching, so please do that. Okay, you did great with that yesterday. I'll send you an email back this morning, okay? So then go ahead and practice giving me the coordinates for Shanghai, Sydney, and New York as well. So Shanghai, okay, I know that it's right here, and that's kind of an easy one because it's at a crossroads. It's at 30 degrees north, 120 degrees east. I wish they were all that easy. Let's jump into our show though so we don't waste any more time. All right, let's find the coordinates of Calacan, okay? So Calacan is right here. Okay, let's start out with those latitude lines. So it is between 20 and 25, but it's just below 25. I would still say 25 degrees, okay, north. Maybe, yeah, definitely 25. And then we want to find longitude. It's between 105 and 110. I would think it's a little closer to 105. So I'm going to go with 107 degrees west. Okay. I know that your show is going to be a little different where it's going to have some matching. Just do your best with that, okay? What are the coordinates for Durango? So Durango is right here, okay? Again, it's really close to 105, but it's on the 100 side of it. So I would still maybe put it at 105. Sorry, we want to start with latitude. Ignore me. So Durango is between 20 and 25. I would maybe say 24 for that one. 24 degrees north, okay? And then we are going to do, it's between 100 and 105. It's pretty close to 105 though, so I'm going to put 105 degrees. And always make sure that you label west, okay? That is what you're going to do on your show it. You're just going to find those latitude and longitude coordinates. I know that it's matching, so do your best. As long as I see some effort on it, I will make sure you get an awesome grade on it. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email and I will find time to meet with you. Have a wonderful day.